We all dream about having silky, conditioned, healthy hair. If you have fine hair, you dream about having that and volume at the same time. And if you have fine hair, chances are you're fully aware at how difficult maintaining volume is when using products that condition and hydrate. It is a constant battle of your hair either being too conditioned and flat or having volume and dryness. Today, I will be taking on some of the most popular conditioning products and replacing them with products that condition and hydrate, but not weigh your hair down. And while I'm going through each product, I'm going to be using them on myself. So that way by the end, you'll get to see a nice side-by-side comparison of what my hair looks like from the heavy ones versus the better options for fine hair. Let's go. Popular products 1, shampoos and conditioners. Some of the most popular shampoo and conditioners I see suggested for hydration is Pureology's Hydrate, Redken's All Soft, and Moroccan Oil's Hydrate shampoo. Now, all of these brands are amazing. They really are. They have great ingredients. They've got great reviews, but unless you have medium to coarse textured hair, meaning you have fine hair, these shampoos are just not it, like at all. You will live to regret buying them if you desire any sort of volume. Luckily for you, I have been searching over the course of my 16 years as a hairstylist for options to give my fine hair hydration without sacrificing my beloved volume. My very top suggestion for shampoo would be L'Oreal's Pro Longer. This has so many benefits. If you're just reading the description, you'll think that it's solely just for strengthening and preventing breakage, but the amino acids that are in it help your hair to retain more moisture. And the fourth ingredient is specifically derived from coconut oil that's going to help soften your hair as well as make it more manageable. I could keep going on with the other benefits of this one because honestly there's a lot, but the most important thing here is that it hydrates and conditions your hair but will not weigh it down anywhere close to what you would experience from the shampoos mentioned before. The only downside to L'Oreal is that it does have sulfate, so that can be a deal breaker for some people. I honestly have never experienced anything bad from the shampoo having sulfates, but if they're not your thing, my next suggestion would be Ouai's Fine Hair Shampoo. This is gonna be a bit more volumizing than the Pro Longer as it's geared toward that more. This is sort of like a two-in-one almost, a hydrating shampoo with volume shampoo mixed together, like your old school two-in-one shampoo and conditioner sets, but it's going to leave your hair feeling nice and not the opposite. You won't get quite as much hydration compared to the Pro Longer, but it is a solid choice for balancing hydration and volume, and it's sulfate free. Both of these brands, I equally love their conditioners that are paired to go with the shampoo. Shampoo can obviously be heavy on its own, but if your conditioner is too heavy, forget it. It's over. You are flat. There's no going back. I don't care if people are like, oh, you rinse the conditioner out, it won't weigh your hair down. That's not true. They clearly don't have fine hair and they don't know what they're talking about. Before moving into the next product, make sure to let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products that I'm mentioning today. What about them did you love? What did you hate? I'm happy to have you here on the channel and I love being able to connect with you all in the comments. Popular product 2, leave-in conditioner. Oh, leave-in conditioner. You can be so amazing. You can have so many benefits, yet you can literally destroy the chances of volume in fine hair. Popular options for leave-ins are Pureology's Color Fanatic, Ouai's leave-in conditioner, and Redken's When United. These three brands I always constantly see pop up, and while I feel that leave-in conditioners in recent years have gotten better about not being ultra heavy on the hair, there are some that one should steer clear of if you have fine hair. Pureology's Color Fanatic, this is a great product. It works to hydrate the hair and it makes it feel really nice and silky. But again, unless you have that medium to coarse textured hair, this is way too heavy for fine hair. When I use this, even with my volume products, I find my hair to be much flatter than if I don't use it or use something else. I find myself wanting to wash my hair again right away, which is just gonna lead to even more dryness. It's just not ideal for fine hair. The only time or scenario I would say that it is okay for fine hair is if your hair is completely dried out, like feels like straw. Use it to get past that hump, but then switch to something else once you're out of that phase. I was so happy to see that Ouai's leave-in is so popular because it is my absolute favorite leave-in at the moment. It's conditioning, it will give you hydration, heat protection, but it's not heavy. It sprays great out of the bottle and it's easy to work through your hair. I honestly can't say enough good things about it. If you have fine hair and you want a good leave-in to get the job done, but you still want to maintain your volume, this is where it's at. Redken's One United, I would say is sort of right in between Pureology and Ouai's. It's not as heavy as Color Fanatic, but it's not as light as Ouai, so Ouai still wins in my book. Popular product 3, conditioning styling products. The most suggested conditioning styling product I think I see suggested is Olaplex number 6. This is again a great product, but it was definitely not designed for fine hair types. The good thing about it is that it is super concentrated, so a very little goes a long way, but even the smallest amount, I still find it to be extremely heavy in my hair. Great alternatives to this or just all around good conditioning styling products would be Ouai's Finishing Hair Cream. I promise they did not sponsor this video. They just really do have great options for fine hair. Pravana's Polish and Reunite and IGK's Bouncy Blowout Cream if you prefer a dedicated volume product that's not gonna dry out your hair. Both Ouai's Finishing Hair Cream and Pravana's Polish and Reunite virtually do the same thing. They are both lightweight, both fight frizz, both provide heat protection, and both can be applied to dry hair post blow dry. I have more experience using Polish and Reunite from Pravana, but it's great to have options, so I wanted to mention both. You could even use both of these with the blowout cream if you wanted to have that extra boost of volume, but get the added benefits of hydration that Ouai and Pravana provide. Here is what my hair looked like after washing with Pureology's Hydrate, using their leave-in conditioner, as well as using Olaplex number 6 for my blow dry. Quite flat, lifeless if I say so myself. My hair does feel amazing, but I am dying over the lack of volume. And then here is my hair using Prolonger, Ouai's leave-in conditioner, and pairing Pravana's Polish and Reunite with the IGK Bouncy Blowout Cream. Much better, right? It still feels great, it looks great, but we have that extra bump of volume that I live for. Be sure to check out the description and pinned comment for the links to all the products mentioned today. And if you want to hear even more about products, be sure to check out my video all about which repair products are right for you. See you on the next one.